I'm hopping on tonight with a makeup subscription box unboxing. I have my Ipsy glam bag here and I have the BoxyCharm to unbox. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So up first, here is the Ipsy glam bag. Go ahead and open it up and see what it is. I do believe, actually I had the card here. Let's see, soft error. We're entering our soft error, it says. So, oh my gosh, how beautiful. This is so gorgeous. Wow. And love all the pastel shades. It's kind of like a watercolor painting. So, oh, I do see something in here from Toy Factory. I love Toy Factory makeup. So, oh, actually, this is the Toy Factory Click Stick. So, what is that? This is simple, intense color formulated by AI to create bold shades that work with all skin tones. So, let me see what this is. How to use, cover your eyelids for an instant color pop. And it is a bronze shade. It's called Fantasy. So I'll be back and we'll test this out because I did already do, my eyes tonight. So let's see what else that is in here. Oh, here is the Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. So let's see what this is. I love Innisfree products. So this is a facial cream that's supposed to give you a jelly glow. So cannot wait to try that because who doesn't love a glow and who doesn't love, I know I love Innisfree products. They are K-Beauty. They're very affordable. They do have them at Sephora. I'm not sure if they have them in store. Oh, look at it. It's like a water product, but it's a face cream. Wow. Oh my goodness, it feels so nice on the skin. It's definitely giving glass skin look right there. So I'm gonna, again, I am just unboxing tonight. I'll be back and we're gonna test everything out. But for tonight, again, I'm just unboxing it and giving my first impressions. So here is, oh, is this from Pixie Beauty? This is the Eye Define, and this is for the waterline, black, tightline black. So actually, maybe I do have on already, but these eyeliners, they don't really stay, they don't really stay that good. So maybe I could try to see how this works in the waterline because I do love to tightline. Do you guys love it? Oh, this looks very tight. This looks like it's going to be very, oh yeah, this is so precise. Wow. Oh, I love this because so many eyeliners, they smudge out, which is beautiful if you want the smudged out look, but sometimes you just want a nice tight line. But this actually smudges out too. So you can tightline, but you could also smudge it. So that is really nice. And you could do a nice winged liner for yourself. Really get into the tear duct area. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. This is definitely going in my makeup bag. It does feel like kind of a little bit of a dry formula, so it's not really, it didn't transfer onto my eyes. It's not too wet in texture. Emollient, it's just really nice. So love that. Wow, that is really nice. And then here is Saturday Skin Bright Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. So going to test that out tonight and I'll get back to you and let you know. But look how gorgeous. Oh, look at the beautiful star. Again, I'll be back and we will test everything out. So here is the BoxyCharm for us to unbox now. And so let me try. We're just gonna rip it open. I hope I don't break my nails. I had a scissors, but I can't find them right now. And I have Louie and Lola here. They're terrified because there was a bug in my room, guys, and it was huge. It was huge. I think that they saw it and they're terrified of it because I was wondering why they were shaking, and then I saw the bug, and they were. It's that big. It's almost half of the size of them. It was some kind of grass. Grass. I don't know what it was. It was disgusting. I saw it, and I don't know if you guys saw, but my husband got rid of it. But you never know. Did they have a friend? Did they have a wife, a girlfriend? Boyfriend, So anyway, here is our BoxyCharm. So cannot wait. Viral trends. You won't effing believe this new drop. Oh wow. BoxyCharm is those full-size products. I think it is just worth every penny. It's just because you just get so many amazing products. Right now I'm using from last month. It's a cleanser. I'm gonna show it to you guys because I love it so much. It makes your skin feel so clean and so soft. It's a dream, and I think it's called Free. I'll start a picture of it. But here is, because I just started using it, it's amazing. Here is Glass Skin from Olivia Uma cleansing foam. Wow, glass skin cleansing foam. That sounds amazing. Wow. Here it is, beautiful, gorgeous packaging, very uplifting, and let's see what it smells like. Now I'm excited to try this one, even though that one that I got last month is so. But I was using up my Murad, so I only just started using this one that I'm telling you about, the Free. It's called Freeu, I believe. But, oh, this is so thick and creamy. Wow. Oh, it has a gorgeous scent. Oh, and it's very it's very thick and rich. Wow. But you know, I love that as long as it washes clean. It does, I think that it would. If you have dry skin, this feels like it would be a dream. But I will test it out, and again, I'll get back to you and let you know how it works out, because they just have amazing products, and they curate these amazing products from BoxyCharm. This one says glass skin cleansing foam. So I'll be back and we'll test that out. Now here is the Dry Bar 3-in-1 finishing spray, triple sec. So this is a airy dry finishing spray, provides instant texture, volume, and body for a sexy hair look. So I'm not gonna use that right now because my hair is, I straightened it, so I don't actually want, you know, a sexy tassel look. But right now I'm trying to keep it sleek. But I will test that out. Now last month I did get a product from them in my Boxy. Oh, here it is, that I love. I gotta show this to you. It is so good. I don't think I got to show this to you. This is called Final Call from Dry Bar. I got this again last month in the Boxy, and this is a frizz and static control. This is amazing. See, this makes your hair frizz free. It feels so good. It makes your hair so silky, and so, you know, it just stays frizz free and silky. This is amazing. So I'm sure that is too, but again, I'm not gonna try that out right now. But I will be back and we'll test it out. So here is, now can you believe you're getting all of these products in your box? I believe it's $30 a month. So that's crazy. I have to double check, but I'll link it down below. But this is amazing. It's so affordable, you can't believe it. So here is from Pinky Bee Beauty, Had Me at Primer, Illuminating Primer. So let's go ahead and try a little bit of this, just, you know, on the hand. Love the pink packaging. And oh, let me put this somewhere else, because I do, oh, that is gorgeous. Let me put it somewhere where you can see better, because this is really stunning. As soon as you blend it and break it up, it's so illuminating on your skin. Look what it would do to your face. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, I cannot wait. And it feels so silky and nice. It's not thick. It feels like water. It feels like nothing. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, hopefully tomorrow because I can't put it on right now. But tomorrow I'll come barefaced and we'll test that out. Oh, here is a cheek palette from Alamar. Alamar Fair Light Viva Lust Cheeks. Beautiful packaging. Oh, gorgeous peachy pink shade and bronzer and highlighter. So let's try a little bit of this blush. Oh, you do get a mirror. Very nice. So let's put a little bit of this blush. Although, as you can see, I do have blush on, but this is like a pinky peach blush. And then a little bit of this highlighter. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful. That's gorgeous, especially for your eyes. This is blinding. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness, that is seriously, again, there's no other word, blinding. Oh, that would look beautiful on the lid, packed on the lid. Wow. Okay, again, I will be back and we'll do a look with that. And then here is, I think this is the final product. This is the Rose Hip Recovery Eye Serum from Kat Burkai. Now, I cannot wait to try this. Tonight we will start, because I need everything I can get for these eyes to keep them tight and right, because I'm not having Botox. Although, so beauties, that was everything in my Ipsy Glam Bag and my BoxyCharm. So let me know what you're loving from your Ipsy and your BoxyCharm this month. This is they're always good. I can't deny. I love getting Ipsy and BoxyCharm. If I could only get one, I would get the BoxyCharm for sure, because you cannot beat these full-size products and the price, and they're all just always so good. There are things that I would never have found on my own a lot of times, because they do curate it for us. So I will have everything for Ipsy and BoxyCharm linked down below, so you could sign up and get your own box if you're not already. It's a monthly subscription box. You can cancel anytime. So I will have, again, everything linked down below, but let me know what your favorites are if you're already part of the fam, the Ipsy and BoxyCharm fam. Let me know what your favorites are from this month and what you're looking forward to. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.